Hi, I'm Karmal. Today I introduction name of the espresso machine, and let it go. Uh, this is a knob, and this is knob, and this is a steam wand. The steams. And this is a hot water tub, and this is drop in, yeah, tray, and this is a group head, and this is a porta filter, and they have two group head. We saw this and this two group head, and this is buttons of what, and this is the temperature grades, and this upside the what, oh, warmer cup warmer, mm, and they under the they under the off on switch, other other not enough. This is I interesting the part of the switch.